Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change applications permissions to use our GPS location. So to grant applications our navigation permissions, we have to go to settings, then we're looking for safety and privacy options, and here in our privacy submenu we have permission manager. When we go here, we are looking for location. As of now, 4 out of 20 apps are allowed to use our location. Let's change it. Let's say we don't want Chrome to use our location. Tap Chrome, do not allow anyway. And now Chrome is not allowed to use our location. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.